Have you ever wondered what it feels like to experience the pinnacle of automotive luxury and performance in one package? Welcome back to Cartech Explorers. Today, we're diving into the exquisite world of the 2024 BMW 7 Series M70. Buckle up, because this is going to be an exciting ride. As we unbox the 2024 BMW 7 Series M70, the first thing you'll notice is the immaculate packaging BMW has crafted. The sleek lines, bold kidney grille, and the iconic BMW emblem instantly command attention. The design exudes a perfect blend of elegance and aggression, hinting at the powerhouse hidden beneath the hood. The build quality is nothing short of impeccable, with every detail meticulously crafted to perfection. One interesting feature that stands out right away is the laserlight headlights, offering both functionality and a futuristic aesthetic. Let's dive into the heart of this beast, the features and functionality that set the 2024 BMW 7 Series M70 apart. Starting with the engine, this model boasts a 6.6-liter V12 engine that delivers an astonishing 600 horsepower, propelling you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds. The driving dynamics are enhanced by the adaptive M suspension and iDrive all-wheel drive system, ensuring a smooth yet exhilarating ride. Inside, the cabin is a sanctuary of luxury. The Merino leather seats are incredibly comfortable and come with massage functions, perfect for long drives. The infotainment system, with its 14.9-inch curved display, is both intuitive and responsive, featuring BMW's latest iDrive 8.0 software. The Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system envelopes you in rich, immersive audio, making every journey a pleasure. However, no car is without its quirks. The gesture control for the infotainment system, while innovative, can be a bit finicky at times. And while the rear seat entertainment package is impressive, it does add a considerable amount to the overall price. When comparing the 2024 BMW 7 Series M70 to its competitors like the Mercedes-Benz S-Class and Audi A8, the M70 stands out for its superior driving dynamics and more aggressive styling. The S-Class may offer a slightly more opulent interior, and the A8 is renowned for its tech-forward approach, but the M70 strikes a perfect balance of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. To summarize the upsides, the 2024 BMW 7 Series M70 offers exhilarating performance, a luxurious and comfortable interior, and advanced technology that enhances both driving and passenger experience. On the downside, the gesture control system might not be for everyone, and the rear entertainment package could be seen as an expensive add-on. So, who would benefit most from the 2024 BMW 7 Series M70? This car is perfect for luxury enthusiasts who demand top-tier performance and cutting-edge technology. It's ideal for executives looking for a comfortable yet powerful ride, and for car lovers who appreciate the finer details and craftsmanship that BMW is known for. In conclusion, the 2024 BMW 7 Series M70 is a remarkable blend of luxury, performance, and innovation. It's a car that truly stands out in its class, offering something for everyone, whether you're looking for a thrilling drive or a plush, comfortable experience. I would highly recommend this car to anyone in the market for a high-end luxury sedan with a performance edge. Thank you for joining me today on Cartech Explorers. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this review, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth car reviews and unboxings. See you in the next video.